Diwali is knocking right at the door. An occasion to celebrate victory over defeat, light over darkness, an occasion to celebrate life. But when you are staying away from your family, it feels very lonely, especially in festive season. But if you have someone who makes you feel like home, it feels better. This year Diwali, I'm spreading good vibes with someone who takes care of me like my family, a person who makes me feel like home. And what can be more amazing than gifting her good vibes hamper? The way she is lighting up my every day, good vibes lights up your skin every day.
हैप्पी दिवाली।
तो मनाइए दिवाली इस बार किसी ऐसे के साथ जो घर की याद ना आने दे।